Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to do SoSoValue KYC. The KYC is back. If you log into your app, you are going to see both real user probability, secure your season 2 airdrop. So you have to click on start. Make sure that you are going to answer correctly so that you will not disqualify yourself. And if you have not started mine SoSoValue, the link will be in the video description as well. So let's go. So what you're going to do is to click on start. Once you click on start, you are going to see crypto native quiz, 15% probability. Prove you are human. Answer 3 questions. See where I'm reading from. Prove you are human. You need to answer 3 simple questions. Then the probability is 15%. So you click on start verification now. Now the first question says, I think this question might be different or it might be the same, I don't know, but this is the question I'm seeing right now. What is the hardware wallet for? What is a hardware wallet for? So without wasting our time, I'm just going to copy this and go to ChatGPT and paste. ChatGPT will give me the correct answer. So before you do this, check your answer. It might be different from mine. So do not just go and do anything. So I'm going to copy this. I'm just going to copy this. Then I'll go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give me the answer. Just paste that in that you copied. Then search. ChatGPT will give us the correct answer. The correct answer is C. Storing your crypto offline. C. Storing your crypto offline. So what is a hardware wallet for? C. Storing your crypto offline. Now the second question says, in the last 24 hours, has SRP gone up or down? I'm still going to copy the question and go to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will tell me whether SRP has gone up in the last 24 hours. Here is the latest 24 hours private movement of SRP. So they say the price data show SRP is down slightly in the last 24 hours. That's negative. The correct answer is D. Down, negative. The correct answer is D. So we are going to tap on D. Now the third question say, what is the current headline shown in the SoSoValue Crypto Daily broadcast player on the SoSoValue homepage? I'm still going to copy this and go and ask ChatGPT. So it's generating the answer. Said the correct answer is D. Digital access experience turned down, Trump family project. The correct answer is D. So let's tap on D. So it's correct. Verifying. Congratulations, 15% real user probability achieved. I have achieved that 15%. This KYC is not this KYC no be here. The next thing to do now is to deposit. So the next thing now is to deposit 15 USD on SODEX. SODEX is like their wallet or their exchange app. So you need to deposit 15 USDT for you to complete it, and you'll have 50% probability, which after this one, another KYC verification will come up for you. Guys, what do you think? Do you think we can still qualify for this airdrop? Do you think we can still qualify for this airdrop? You have to achieve this one 30%. If you achieve this one 60%, if you achieve this one 100%, then the last one is 120%. So for me to deposit 15 USD on SODEX, I will receive 15% probability, making it 30. I only have 15 now. So what do you think? Now if you click on deposit, let's click on deposit. They say confirm account info. Please use the same wallet or email listed below to log into SoSoValue to pass verification. So you must use the same email. The wallet you connected must be the same. Then you got to deposit on SoSoDex. Now after that, after you have deposited, you will now click on verify. They will now verify it. Now let's skip and see the next. The next thing here now is the next the option now, the 60%, if you after depositing 15 USD, the next thing is to trade or deposit on SoSoDEX. You have to make sure you trade. Some of us has already traded, some of us has bought Mega 7 or whatever they call it, SSS, whatever. Some of us has done that one. You need to at least trade on their SODEX, their app. They have option A and option B. Option A means to trade less than 5k USDT. You have to trade less than 5k USDT. Then option B here is to buy 15 mega 7.ssi and deposit to SoSoDEX. So you need to buy. Some of us has bought this one. So after that one, let's skip again. The last but not the least is to trade or deposit on SoSoDEX. So you must trade. They still have option for this level 4. They have option is that you trade 20k USDT or you buy 75 mega 7 and deposit on your SoSoDEX. Then the last but not the least is to trade or deposit on. You still need to trade. You have to trade 100k or you buy 300 mega 7. So this KYC is not for the poor. You understand? I don't know why SoSoValue will decide to bring out this kind of KYC. This is very, very difficult for all of us. I don't know what made them to think that this kind of KYC will suit their user. They just want to filter out the real users, because a normal person that is hustling to get money, where will you get money to deposit 100k USDT or 300 mega 7? Anyway, this is it though. It is less for you. If it is what you can continue, you continue. If you can't do it, my dear, we'll move on now. After all, those people that enjoyed the season 1 has enjoyed it. I don't know whether because of the hype, all these our influencers, the hype that the people we are giving this SoSoValue that made them to think that, oh, people are actually here to make money, let them filter them out. It's not making sense. It's not making sense at all. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.